Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, KASVENTURES. Today we are traveling from home again, from our kitchen to your kitchen, and we're gonna take you to Rome.
From home to Rome.
So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna cook some pasta carbonara. It's a meal that I tried when we went to Rome during our honeymoon, and I just fell in love with that dish so much that I taught myself how to do it here at home, and it's so good that we're gonna teach it to you guys. It's so easy, it takes about 30 minutes to do, and it's one of the most delicious pastas that you will ever have.
Yum!
Welcome to Pasta Carbonara.
Okay, now for the ingredients. Spaghetti noodles, eggs, you need 1 egg per serving. You're gonna want a fresh garlic clove, olive oil, shredded Parmesan cheese, so you can either buy it already shredded or you can shred it yourself. Fresh parsley, you're gonna need some garlic powder, you're gonna need some pepper, you're gonna need some bacon. Let's get started.
Alright guys, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna boil some water for the spaghetti noodles. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna chop up your bacon. Alright, next what you're gonna do is you're gonna scramble some eggs. Usually it takes 1 egg per serving. Watch this. You're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. You're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. You're gonna mix it up. Add some pepper. This is what gives the pasta carbonara that creamy texture and the flavor. So we're only gonna need 1 garlic clove. Alright guys, now that you got your garlic peeled, you're gonna chop it up. Nice thin slices. And garlic, what it does, it gives the food a lot of flavor. Alright, next, what you're gonna do is, once you have your stuff ready to cook, you're gonna cook the bacon and the garlic together. And you're gonna put the noodles in at the same time, okay? So that when everything's done, it'll all be hot and you'll make sure that everything is cooked. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take half a bag. This should be enough for 2 people. Now what we do, this is up to you guys. We usually cut them in half, but it's really up to you. And then dump it in. Now you're gonna get ready to cook the bacon. Make sure you're stirring the spaghetti noodles from time to time. You want to add some salt in there too. Alright guys, so you start cooking the bacon. You're gonna add this one.
And I'm working with a diva.
A diva!
Tell her you're a diva.
Yeah, I'm a perfectionist.
He was trying to yell at me earlier.
All that douchebag.
Yeah, I did. He was yelling at me earlier. That's why I'm
My production manager is on the phone right now with her sister, so I have to do this by myself now. So, what you're gonna do is...
Let me call you back. Love you, bye.
Okay. That looks delicious. This is what the bacon should look like now that it's cooked. Now you're gonna chop up your parsley. This is gonna make the pasta, give it a nice fresh look. Let's save that for now. Then you dump your bacon in. You're gonna add a dab of olive oil, just a little bit. And then the egg that you had mixed before, you're gonna dump it in there. And then just mix everything. Oh my God, yes. And there you have it, pasta carbonara. Okay, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And then garnish it with the parsley. And voila. And that's it, guys. That's pasta carbonara. We added some garlic bread, so if you have bread, it'll work, whatever type of bread. But the main dish is the pasta carbonara. So, again, we are not professional cooks. So, guys, if we can do this, you can do it too. So, travel from home, from our kitchen to your kitchen. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel on Pinterest and Instagram as well. Also, follow us on our blog, KASVENTURES.org.